हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो कैसे हैं आप सब। सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट होल नंबर. सो इन दिस सेशन we discuss about introduction to whole number, succession and predecessor, number line, representation of whole number on number line, addition on number line, subtraction on number line, multiplication on number line. Okay, so next come to natural number. So what is natural number? So natural numbers are counting numbers because we use these natural numbers in counting objects, and when we begin to count we firstly start from 1 2 3 4 and so on, and they comes naturally. So mathematicians call the counting numbers as natural number. Now next come to successor. So successor means next one. So what is the next one of given number? That is successor. So how to find out that next one? So suppose here is number 3 and we want to find the successor of 3. So when we add 1 to given number, you get next number, and that next number is its successor. So if we find out the successor of 3, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is successor of 3. Now next come to 23,456 plus 1. So you get 23,457. That is successor of 23,456. Now next come to next example is what is successor of 7,899. So when we add 1 with 7,899 plus 1, we get 7,900. So 7,900 is successor of 7,899. So how we represent this successor of any number in a number line? So suppose we want to find out successor of 3. So successor of 3, when we move one step on right side of this 3, we get successor of 3, that is 4. Suppose we want to successor of 6. So when we add 1 means we move 1 from right to right side of that 6, we get 7. So 7 is successor of 6. Okay, now next come to predecessor. So given any natural number, you can subtract 1 to that given number and get the previous number, that is you get its predecessor. Suppose here is 4 and you want to find out the predecessor of 4. So what will you do? So you subtract 1 from 4 and you will get 3, and 3 is the predecessor of 4. Now 55,678 minus 1, so you get 5,677. That is predecessor of 5,678. Now next come to what is the predecessor of 6,887. So you 6,887 minus 1 and you will get 6,886. So that is the predecessor of 6,887. Okay, so every number have its successor and predecessor. So let's think about 1. Okay, next successor of 1 is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. But what's about predecessor of 1? So predecessor of 1 means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. If 0 is a natural number, that means predecessor of 1 not belongs to natural number. So in which category it falls? Okay, it falls in natural number, or we can say that 0 belongs to whole number. So whole number is a collection of natural number with 0. It means whole number started from 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. And what means 0? So 0 means nothing. when there exists no thing or no object, so this represented by 0. As we can see that one object is represented by 1. Whole means, what is whole? Whole means complete body or a complete object. So when we represent a complete body with 1, 2 complete body with 2, 3 complete body with 3, so no complete body with 0. So 0 is no complete body or no whole number. Or okay, next come to example of whole number. So 0, 7, 212, 1023 are the example of whole number. But numbers like 1 by 2, 1.5, 3.5 are not whole numbers. And in number line, whole number are starting from 0, means first whole number is 0, or we can say that smallest whole number representing in number line is 0, and we move from 0 to right hand side, we get various whole number to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Okay, next come to addition on number line. So when we add two whole number, how we can represent this in number line? So suppose first example is that sum of 3 and 4. So we already know that 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So how we represent this in non-number line? So we start from 3 and we add to this number, we add 4 to this number, so we make 4 jumps to right side from 3 to 4. So first jump is 3 to 4, second jump is 3 to 5, third jump 4 to 5, next 5 to 6, and then next 6 to 7. So you get the answer 7. It means that when we add a whole number into given whole number, we have to move on right side. So now next come to more examples. Suppose we want to add 5 plus 3. So here is 5 and we move, here is 3 and we want to add 5 into 3. So move 5 step on right side. So 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4 and 5, and you will get 8. So answer will be the 8. Okay. Some more examples. Suppose we want to add 6 plus 3. So where is 6? That is 6. And we start from 6. And as we want to add 3 with 6, so we move 3 step on right side of 6. 1, 2, 3. So you will get 9. Next come to subtraction on number line. So subtraction of two whole number can be also shown in the number line. So as we know that 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So how we represent this on number line? So we start from 7 and move, since 5 is being subtracted, so move towards left. It means for subtracting a whole number from a given whole number, we move towards left of that given whole number. So we move towards left with one jump of 1 unit. 1 unit means this is 1 unit, you know. So we want to subtract 5 from 7. So we start from 7 and move how many steps? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 steps from 7. And we will get 2. So 2 will be the result of 7 minus 5. Now let's see some more examples. Suppose we want to subtract 9 minus or 4 from 9. So first we will start from 9 and move 4 steps towards left. So we will get 5. So now you will able to represent subtraction on number line. Okay, now next focus on multiplication on number line. So we now see the multiplication of whole number on number lines. As we know that 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So start from 0. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So starting from 0 and move 3 unit at a time to the right. So we start from 0 and move towards 3 step and we get 3. Now make such 4 moves because we multiply 3 into 4. It means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times? 4 times. So we move such jumps how many times? 4 times. So first jump is 0 to 3, second 3 to 6, next 3 to 9 and next 3 to 12. So you will get 12. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now let's see some more example. Suppose we want to multiply 4 into 2. 4 into 2. So you start from 0 and move to 4 step right. And now jump such 2 steps. That means 1 step more. So this is 1 step and 1 more step. So you will get 8. So 4 into 4 into 2 is equal to 8. It means 4 plus 4 and you will get 8. So now you will be able to represent addition of whole number into number line, subtraction of whole number into number line and multiplication of whole number into number line. So thank you students for watching this video. Please share and subscribe this video. Thank you.